Welcome back. Another unboxing video. I've been contemplating what type of pump I should get for my tires, you know, to bring on trips in general. And I landed on this one. It's very well done. I think it's pretty cool. It's about 30 euros. Let's dig into it and see what's inside. My friend sent this to me from Geneva, Switzerland. Ooh, fancy packaging. A bunch of stickers. They're called, how do you pronounce this? Roya Moto. There it is. It's supposed to be very sturdy and well done. I read a lot about this. Fancy packaging. Just keep on riding. You can tell that it's well done. Why does it have two holes? Very cool pump. It will probably save my ass if I'm stuck on a mountain somewhere. I need a hand pump, man. Those electrical ones, no. There should be some adapters in here too. Heavy duty strap, I don't know what that is. I guess strap it up to the bike. Some very well made stickers. Oh, hello one wheel traction. Enjoy your pump and your additional gift. Safe ride, best. Something, I don't know, I can't read that, sorry. Oh, I got the strap for free, right. I saw these on the website, you have to pay for these. I don't see any adapters, which is very confusing. It's supposed to have a PCI pressure gauge on the actual pump, which I don't see where it is, but a lot of people said they can't see it until they start pumping. It has the nozzles hidden inside. Ooh. Oh! Look at this. Hello. Oh, look. That is pretty cool. So this is the gauge people miss. They don't see it until they start pumping. You guys see that? Presta and Schrader. So it's two valves. Two valves and a gauge in the middle. This is cool, man. I don't want Presta because that's the... Presta is the, I think, for bicycles. This is very thought out. And it's bendable too, which is really cool, so you can... Oh wow, it's heavy, dude. This is some good stuff, man. Pretty cool pump. I'm gonna try it. I have this little tube here that I wanted to try this new pump on. It would help if you put the right gauge on. Yep. And then we start pumping. That works. I don't want to blow this up. There's the PSI gauge. This is really cool. I am going to hopefully never use this on the trail. It's a very cool pump. I really like it. It's very well done. Super heavy duty. Flexible PSI gauge that most people miss. I put it on my bike tire and then boop, it popped up here. There's a little red. You can't really see it now. Like this here. Under here is the PSI gauge. This goes up and it shows the PSI here. I would recommend this. Very cool gadget. It will help me if need be. If I'm stuck somewhere with a flat. Batteries are out. Charges, no electric pump, no nothing. One of those days. This will work. This always works. Hand pumps will save you. Let's see how long it actually is. 22.5 centimeters. It's not big. You can hide it even under your seat. You can hide it basically anywhere. In your pocket, inside pocket, anywhere. Strap it on here, anywhere. It's very small. The good part about this is all the nozzles and everything you need is inside the pump. You don't need to bring extra stuff. You don't need to have another bag. I don't remember the actual weight. It's definitely like grams. We're talking grams. It weighs nothing. I think maybe like 200 grams maybe. It is super light. I would recommend buying this if you planning to do like Tet or somewhere where there's no civilization, like up in the Italian Alps or something. This could be a lifesaver. I'm not calling the tow truck. I'll be like, yo, where you at? I don't know, dude. I'm up somewhere in a bush. This will help to get me down the mountain. This is made in Austria. It's assembled there too. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. It would be helpful. It would be a very nice gesture. leave a comment also. That's nice. Bye.